back to another demo of SentiTrade AI. In this one, we have uh, worked on all those feedback we got it from Wave 1 as well as some other backend and backhand fixes. So, first of all, um, we have tried to improve the UX as much as possible, like introducing uh, these confidence bars and try to use emojis for most of the things because they make the uh, signal look more alive. And we have also added a source driver uh, field in the signal that tells what was the actual news on basis of the signal was generated. Apart from that, we have also had added two more commands. One is the help command with which users can easily uh, onboard onto the application. Also, we have updated the slash start command with a good message that tells user everything about the application. Once we do slash help, yeah, you can see it tells about all the commands the user can use and how he can onboard onto the application. We have also added a slash volatility command. One of the judges wanted this one so that users can actually set their maximum volatility. As you can see, we have also added a 24-hour volatility risk. This tells what is the volatility risk of the signal of the asset the signal is about. This is also fetched from directly from source value, and yeah, users can then set their volatility. Sorry, users can then set their volatility using slash volatility. This doesn't work. Slash volatility and any number. If this is 0.1, then it goes by 0.1. No signal above this volatility will be sent to the user having just a second. Yeah, I guess I didn't test it for fractions. Maybe that's the problem. I'll fix this after this video. So yeah, you can set up the volatility. No signals above 1% volatility will be sent to me now. Apart from this, if I take this one and try to route it via Sodex, you can see we have also added a historical stats of whatever the asset is. All these stats are backtracked by the application after a signal is sent, and yeah, users can see what is the win rate of the signals the sent by SentiTrade AI and the average PNL once they connect their wallet. So yeah, we have also worked on the UI of the wallet as well on the of the mini app. You can see the historical stats over on the uh, mm, mini app itself, along with what the source value narrative for the current signal is, and an AI signal strength. This is the confidence bar we had over here of 95%. And yeah, you can just confirm the execution and it works then. uh, Apart from this, there are some backend things like we moved from a PostgreSQL to Redis for caching, just for caching. The other is on the Postgres as only. And uh, apart from using only GitHub Actions for the sending these signals, we now use long polling as well as GitHub Actions both, so the users don't miss any signals. This was all we did for wave 2. On wave 3, first thing we'll be doing was adding actual utility on the slash subscribe so that we can uh, fix the monetization of the application. And apart from this, we'll be doing some other stuff. Thanks. One more thing I forgot to point out was that we also integrated social value indexes on the application. Like for example, if there is some uh, signal which doesn't belong to a particular asset but it belong to any listed social value index, then the application points them to that index only.